Good morning. Hello. Of course, I've already said good morning to them because they greeted me at the door, but it's just such a cute little picture, the two of them together like that. If you hear a weird noise in the background, that's the dog hacking. He does that in the morning. You sweetie pies. Anyone want to guess why the door's swinging? Peekaboo. Hey, newspaper. Mm-hmm. Hello. Hello, my name is Yael, and I am a sucker for a cute little voice. I heard them mewing and decided to give them a gap. As you might be able to see through the door, one of them has decided to remain in the room. The other two are lightly exploring. It's just so funny how all three are in the picture. Say hi, heart attack. Sweetie pie. Yeah, it came back with the dog and it scared you. Paper. You're very close to Poppy. Kids. You're the sensible one. For the full tableau. Ugh, I need to clean his nose. She's going back inside with her sister. And he's being brave. Yeah, okay, Poppy's not happy. I'm gonna have to take you away, Crawley. Sorry. Wow. Tuna, the ultimate harmonizer. Both of them eating out of the same dish with no growling yet. Oh, spoke too soon.
Yeah, but she's not growling at Poppy.
Well, Poppy is backing up anyways. I'm just going to make 2 different mounds of food here, if you don't mind. This one's for Girly. Here. Aww.
Yeah, I left some on the floor in the entrance for the coward.
Yeah, but if you weren't standing between her and
I know.
the danger that is...
Oh, no, they're not afraid of her, they're afraid of him.
Yes, I was going to say the danger that is Chook. If you hadn't interrupted me, I would have finished saying it.
If I'll go, the newspaper will leave.
Oh, Crawley's poised to escape.
No, he didn't.
Oh, Chook.
Oh, you're sweet, innocent little thing.
You poor unfortunate soul. So innocent, so sweet. You know, we have special spoons for the pets.
Yes, well, Lolo loves it. Very brave of you.
Hey, the fact is she backed away. She's grumbling, but she backed away to let him eat.
Green snack.
We don't have any green snacks.
You know what I mean.
It took me a second, but now I know what you mean. Okay, fine. Well, I've just discovered his purr. Tally already knew it, apparently. Yes, down on the floor, which apparently scares her. Come here, you. Well, both girls are in the living room. And he wants to go exploring. But I'm not gonna let you, because I don't know what you might find to destroy. I've met cats. You destroying something is a given. Yeah, it's a timid one. And that's the bold one. I wonder what'll happen when they realize the dog's over there. I'm not even walking the dog. I'm going over to my parents right now. And this one gave me away as I was leaving the building. Next thing you know, these two follow me. I don't know how many blocks they're going to do this. Because, I tell you, him and her, back when it was just him and her, once followed me all the way to my parents' street, not their actual home, which is 2 blocks away. So we'll see how far this happens. I'm I'm not going to record the whole thing because it's not that interesting. But just so you know, she's still very much around and following me around. So back from my parents. That's Mask. She's been around since before we moved into this neighborhood. Salina followed me almost to the end of the block, at which point she went from whining to what could be actually described as screaming, as though she were being tortured, because I moved out of what she considers to be her turf. That is Hissy, Oliver's mom.